Hello everybody. Today we're gonna talk about a set of secrets you can do it on your Windows desktops and how to customize some of them. So the first one we're gonna come to how to hide desktop icons on Windows 10. So this is the easy way. Probably everybody know it, but there's some people they don't know it. So I'll teach you how to do with this one. So on the desktop over here, you're gonna click right click and you're gonna go to view. From here, from view, you're gonna come to over here, show desktop icon. So right now my icons, they are on desktop. So if you would like to hide them, you can come to over here and just click over here to show desktop icon. So all of them, they're gonna disappear. So if you want to come back to return all icons that they were over here, just do something, right click on your mouse and come over here to this screen, show desktop icons. So it's easy way. Probably a lot of people know it, but probably there's a lot of people they don't know it. So for the second secret, so how to change the size of icon on the Windows desktop. So over here, this size of those icons is very small. So if you like to change it, you can change it to the medium size and you can change it to bigger size. So let's go to click Ctrl A and after that come to view. From here you can come to medium icons or large icons. So right now they are small icons on the desktop, so just come over here if you would like to make them larger, and if you would like to make them medium icons, medium size, come over here. So this is the easy way. Probably a lot of people know it, as I said, but probably there's a lot of people they don't know it and they need to learn it. So let's go to the third one. Third one, you can use the Bing desktop wallpaper in Windows 10. So this picture you can change it. You can put over here on the desktop picture over here. You can put your personal picture or you can put the Windows picture. So Windows every week it updates its pictures, will give you like new pictures and they come and disappear every time. So if you come over here to personals and you come from here, choose your pictures, you can choose any picture of those that you wanted. Let's see if I choose this picture, so it's gonna take you to this picture. And if you would like to change the picture, same thing, just press the another picture, so it come up with another picture. And if you have personal pictures or you have pictures that you in your desktop, you can change it from here, from browse, and you're gonna go to the place that you saved your picture and choose from there any picture you would like to do it. Let's go to another set. So the another secret is to create another desktop screen. So by going over here to the task view, press on it. From here you can create another new desktop, so you can work separately than the previous one. So what you need to do to come to new desktop, so it's gonna bring you over here, and if you wanna go back to the one you were working on it, so you're gonna just click on the desktop 1 or desktop 2. So you can choose anyone to work separately than the previous one. Also this feature talking about the task, the view over here, you can scroll down and give you all the work that or the screens that you open in days. So you can choose anyone you want, any work you have done before, and just go ahead and you're gonna click any of those. Go ahead and check it out in your computer, so you can click on any work you have done in the past and will pop up the screen that you want. That's how it works. Let's go to the pin how to pin desktop icon to the taskbar. So if you have apps or any icons on this area or any icons on this area, you can drag any of them from here and put it on your desktop. It's very easy. You don't have to go everywhere, so just go over here. Same thing, I will repeat it. So if you'd like to come over here, let's say I need icons, I'm gonna come over here and drag the icon and put it on here desktop. This is the easy way to transfer your icons from the main task, from the main bar over here, or the main Windows app over here to the desktop. Alright.